Hey everyone, welcome to the COVID-19 edition of Ryan making YouTube videos to help the students learn songs. So, this is a song by John Mayer called Stop This Train, and it's a great song. We're going to do something a little different to make it a bit more possible for mere mortals to play. John Mayer's got the freakiest thumb you'll ever see in your life. And in fact, when I was working out how to do this thing, I was watching him and I thought, there's no way he's doing what I think he's doing, because what he's doing looks really easy. But what he was doing is holding down the 3rd fret with his thumb while he's holding this, and it's pretty gnarly. And it's not hard for him. That's the freaky thing. His thumb is just maniacal. So what we're going to do for people with regular human thumbs, we're going to tune our A string down to G. So a good way to do that is to use a handy dandy tuner, or you can play these 2 strings together. Make sure they sound right. Now I'll play it and then I'll talk through it after. So if it's too fast, you just slow down the video in your settings. Those, it changes. And back. Weird one again. Regular one. Or on the chorus, we do this. So this is based on the live version that you'll find on YouTube. It's like a Live in New York thing. It's got one more part and it's the bridge. So I'm going to skip the next verse and the next chorus. This is the bridge. So the whole song uses this one pattern in your right hand that's super useful, kind of tricky, and it works like this. I'll just do it with open strings so we can think about our right hands. So we start with thumb and middle together, and then we do a thing called this drum smack. That's what I call it. So I'm smacking the 6th string, that's where your snare drum is on a guitar, and with this finger, you're just hitting these 2 strings to get this. Together, strum smack, 1st finger, thumb, 2nd finger, smack, like that. It's going to take practice, but it's worth it because it's awesome. So, in the left hand, we're like a D chord, but with just 1 finger. Hammer that, strum smack, open, and then we move up to 6 and 7, 5 and 6, so that 2nd finger can stay stuck. I'll show you again. Up you go. 1st finger's there, back where you started. You do that 4 times at the start, and then after 4, it changes to open G string, and now we hammer 2 on the 1st string instead. Up, rest is the same. to the first one. Good. Now we get to the chorus, and we're here. So it's actually a G minor major 7. It's the James Bond chord. You don't hear it ever, but it's here. So it's start this train. Then he wraps his thumb around on a steel string. It's not so bad. And then we got D over F sharp. So it's D, F sharp, E. Then, if you'd want to do it without reaching your thumb around, it'd be super annoying. So it's one of these rare times where I think it's better to wrap your thumb around. Normally I don't do it. And then this is A7, so that's 4, A7, A minor 7, A minor 6, 13, and then it's back. Like that. Hey, I dodged one chord there. G minor major 7. D over F sharp. Then this is E7, so it's a 1 and a 3. And that section I just did is the same as the bridge, except you stay on G minor major 7 for 4, and then we change to G minor 7, then D over F sharp, it's just 2 of each, E7, then again G minor major 7, G minor 7, D over F sharp. I think I'm running out of memory on my phone, so I'm speeding up. I also just got a message on my phone saying mandatory distancing from now on. So if you don't see me in person for a long time, it's because I just got a message saying I'm not allowed to see anyone in person for a long time. These are messed up times. Let's make the most of them and play our guitars. See you later.